Welcome to an episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today we're going to make cookies. And this is Chocolate Cheesecake Hazelnut by Jeff. And we're going to make these delicious looking cookies right here. Just follow along and I will show you exactly how you make these cookies. Into the bowl you want 3 to 4 cups of Chocolate Cheesecake Hazelnut by Jiffy's. You want a half a cup, which a half a stick of Crisco's butter flavor shortening. Next you want a cup of brown sugar. Next you want 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a cup of sugar, or you can use blended sugar. The same with the brown sugar as well. You want one egg. You want 1 to 3 or 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and that's 1 cup and 3/4 cup. So half a teaspoon of baking soda, just a half a teaspoon. You want a half teaspoon of salt, and the salt just enhances the flavor, so that's why we want a blender, or I mean on the mixer. You want to mix this really well. Wait till this is all combined. Then what we'll do is want to spray this pan real good so none of it sticks in here. That'd be good right there. You want to roll it out into a ball. Then we'll place it onto our sheets. Get it like this and make a pretty ball the best you can. It's kind of real light, so you might want to use. Okay, and they're done. That's what they look like right here. We're gonna let these cool, come back to them, and then we'll do a taste test on them. Okay. These are beautiful cookies right here. We're gonna do a taste test on one of these, but this is what they look like now. Oh my God, that is delicious. You gotta try this recipe. This is good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit my subscribe button, and if you notice that bell next to the subscribe button, hit it so you get all the notifications to my new videos updated. Thank y'all for watching, and I do appreciate all of y'all. Thank y'all.